we go. As he flips, we're going to watch for that smoke. Here we go. Let's hit the music. Take a look as he's going to full vertical. Now as he goes, he's going to start to do some rolls. And just wait, we saw Thor do this. We're going to watch him transition very carefully into what we call a flat spin. If you don't remember that, I call it a falling frisbee. The Airshow 330 LC he's flying today is the pinnacle of modern aerobatic aircraft, and he's here today to share his passion for aviation with all of us. Mike Tryggvason is in Ontario, Canada, and some of you may notice he's not flying his usual Jive 202. As aviation goes, he's currently down for major maintenance, and so a new project is on the horizon, and he's grateful for the opportunity to demonstrate the aerobatic performance of this insurance 330 out of 6 today. Mike comes from a flying family. His dad was one of the first Canadian astronauts selected while the program was still a segment of the National Research Council. Carrying on the family tradition, his passion for aviation began at a very young age. Until years later, in the early 2000s, he achieved his pilot's license at the age of 18. He began flying aerobatics before the ink was dry on his new license. After years and years of dedication and hard work, he was able to share the passion which drove him to the pinnacle of aviation, high-performance aerobatics. Besides Airshow's Mike is an airline pilot for a major Canadian carrier flying the Boeing 737. It's the best day job a licensed pilot can have.
That's West Point, or West Point. That is West Point.
Not only an airline pilot, an airshow pilot, a competition pilot, but is also an engineer, which comes in very handy if you love aviation. Beautiful tail slide, putting the extra 330 LC in reverse.
Nice one. Well, for that,
His first start in the world of aerobatics was at Harvey and Ring Aviation in Texas, run by aerobatic legend Debbie Rose. He began by taking a spin course and continued with his initial aerobatic instruction.
I'm a dad. Wait, do you have internet? Yeah. Put it up there. Turn it. The bell. Which network are you connected to? The bell.
Mike would like to say a special thank you to his sponsor, Aero Power, thoughtfully designed custom-built engines for the experimental aircraft based in British Columbia. Aero Power is your one-stop shop for maximum power output for your aircraft. EFII system, a fully automated fuel and ignition system for the IO360 and 540 engines. Flying Wire Coffee Company, responsibly sourced and artisan roasted power for your morning upright. And finally, a motor harness for the best aviation seatbelts in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, Mike Tryggvason in the 330 LC.
Still tendency to go out.
Show right.
I'm curious.
Have your cameras ready. And be sure to follow him at Mike Tryggvason. That's Miketrygg.
Oh, I actually did hear about this. One of my buddies got this too. Well, these are too cool. Yeah, but it's just tack it and like, yeah, I got it in package. I just assume Western side. They cover it. My buddy Tom Ryan, his buddy, Mike Tryggvason, he's the one that gets up to go to the fucking road trip and kind of replace the Canada.
Hey, you're now nice and low. Have your cameras ready. Give them away, ladies and gentlemen. Mike Tryggvason. Boy, Mike is sure having fun. Not just street level, he is flipping and twisting and turning every aerobatic maneuver you can think of. The rescue symbols, as we say in competition flying. I think he checked the box on every single one, Pat.
I agree with you there, Brittany. Let's have another big round of applause to Mike Tryggvason in the Extra 330 LC. Did you notice the hammerheads went off to the left? They were great hammerheads.
Now, we talked about it a little bit, but autographs, please go visit. We have, I think, the F-18, CF-18 pilots are over there. Mike is going to be going over, Lord's heading over, so please be sure to go visit the autograph booth.
That's right.